Hello YouTube and welcome to a new Techsloth video. It's MWC time here in Barcelona and the MWC starts on Monday, but already today Alcatel is having their big press conference and showing their new smartphone line, and a couple of hours before I already got the chance to get my hands on the new flagship, the Alcatel 5. But let's check out what else is in the goodie bag. First of all, we get the press kit with by TCL. TCL is a big company that Alcatel belongs to, and also they're building the BlackBerry devices and all those TCL products, the TVs, and. Then there's also a USB stick with the press informations, pictures and stuff, and a friend for those lonely MWC nights. But let's start with the Alcatel 5. This is a flagship. Costs 229 euros, comes out in the next couple of days. There's one version in gold, one version in black. This is the golden version. And let's have a look around. Oh, and Alcatel is really proud about that they got three sides, let's call it frameless, and only one big side with two front-facing cameras. One 30 megapixel for the portrait pictures and one 5 megapixel for the with wide angle for the group selfies. So on the side we see 5.7 inch HD plus display. HD plus means that it's 1440 by 720p. This is an 18 by 9 aspect ratio, and let's see. So okay, and we got face unlock, and on the back side you get the specs again: 12 megapixel main camera, 30 megapixel front, and 5 megapixel front. 3 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of memory. Under the hood there's a MediaTek SoC. I think it's a 6750, I guess. We got a 3000 mAh battery, USB Type-C with USB 2.0 for charging, and the device comes still with Android 7, Android Nougat, but in Q1, so in until end of March, there will be an update to Android O. So let's open it up. Two email numbers, so we got dual SIM. Again, you get the chance to use either two SIM cards or one SIM card and one micro SD card. So this is the device. First impression, nice. I wouldn't expect it to be that light for a 3000 mAh device with a 5.7 inch screen. And first feeling, nice build quality. This is definitely okay. Wouldn't expect that in this price range. So let's see what else is in the box. We got the service manual. I guess we got service manual, quick start guide showing us where which the buttons are, what they do. Okay, then we get the, I guess, warranty guide in 100 different languages. And we got a SIM card tool. We got our charger. Black normal USB port with an output of 5 volt 2 ampere, so we got our 10 watt charger. Then we get our, of course, we got headset. We got a headset. Woo, nice. And we get a USB Type-C cable, so USB to USB Type-C for charging. Let's give you the quick tour around the device. On-off button on the side and the volume bar on top. I can reach the on-off button and maybe the volume down button with my right thumb. With my left index finger also the same, but I can't reach the volume up button, so this is where you have to move the device in your hand or use your other finger. On top we still got a headphone jack and a microphone. Headphone jack on top, I like it, and it looks a little bit shiny. This is definitely a shiny device. On the left side we get our SIM card slot, and down here we get microphone, USB Type-C, and the speaker. And on the back side we got the fingerprint sensor, which is really well placed, flashlight, and the 12 megapixel main camera, which stands a little bit out, just a little bit, but I don't think that the device will wobble around. On the front side we get the wide angle camera lens with 5 megapixel and the 30 megapixel portrait thingy for the selfies. Oh, and again another flash, which should look nice. And that's it. So I'm pretty sure, I'm really looking forward to playing around with the device. And this is the first device of the MWC 2018 here in Barcelona. Thanks for watching, and I see you all in the next video. Bye.